Tir na Nog Awards 2020. Where Magic Hides. Cat Weatherill.
What's your name and how did you become an author?
Hello, I'm Cat Weatherill. I was a storyteller before I became an author, and one year I was performing at the Hay Festival in Wales, and I was very inspired by all the authors. I thought how wonderful to write a book, because then my story could be heard all around the world. And in that moment, a dream was born, and I worked very hard to make it come true.
Tell us about your shortlisted Tir na Nog book.
Where Magic Hides is a collection of short stories, all set in modern Wales, about children who unexpectedly find magic in the landscape all around them. There is a troll. There is a strange little man who is dressed completely in grey. There's a very special rainbow, some kind of unicorn, an army of ice warriors, and a fearsome creature called a water leaper.
What did you enjoy most and least about writing this book?
I loved writing the book because it gave me a chance to return in my imagination to the landscape of Wales, which I love so well. A lot of the book was written in India, sitting in beach cafes, gazing at the ocean. But it was amazing how easy it was for me to picture the mountains and the rivers and the fields and the forests of Wales.
How long did the process of publishing the book take, from initial idea to reaching the bookshop?
By the time the book is finished, there's very little work for me to do. There are all kinds of people who help with the process of turning it from my manuscript, which has lots of scribbles and highlighter pen markings on it, to a final, wonderful, finished book.
What was your favourite book as a child?
When I was a child, I loved reading any books about magic, but there was something especially wonderful about The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. I still love that moment when she pushes her way through the fur coats in the wardrobe and finds it snowing in the middle of the day and there's a street lamp burning. What an irresistible image that is.
Do you prefer writing for children or adults, and why?
You know, the truth is, most of all, I like writing for myself. I really like journaling. I like to sit in coffee shops and I like to write about the things that I can see and the things that are happening around me. And sometimes I use this writing, sometimes I don't. Mostly it's just for my pleasure. At the moment, I am writing a book for adults and I'm enjoying it, but I have to say I am missing the magic that I put into my children's books. I love magic, for sure.
Where do you like to write?
I love to write in coffee shops. Absolutely, that's my favourite place. Coffee shops all around the world. Even sometimes when I'm here writing at home, I will leave the house and go just down the high street to sit in a coffee shop. I like sitting there and not being distracted, and I get my best ideas in coffee shops. I really do.
Do you have any advice for a budding writer?
Do I have any advice for budding writers? Yes, it would be to read, read, read. That is where you will get ideas, inspiration, and you will also learn the shape of stories. Stories have patterns, and if you are familiar with those, well, you can use those patterns again and again to create new stories of your own.